Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to download sound effects from Epidemic Sound. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, it's actually pretty easy. Just go ahead and log into your Epidemic Sound account. Now go ahead over to the left panel and click on Sound Effects. And then in here, you could go ahead and use the search bar or the assistant, okay? Or you could browse through the catalog in here. For example, we have the categories for swishes, ambience, water, vehicles, user interface, computers, for example, computers. Let's just click on it. And then once that's done, you can listen or preview every sound effects from here. Just like this one, a computers, keyboard and mouse, keyboard, typing. Now, if you like this specific sound effect, you can just basically click on download right here. Download the full track or download a segment, okay? You can use this slider. If not, just download the full track. Download it and just cut it in your editing software. All right, save it wherever you want. And once that's done, here we now have our sound effect. And that's how easy it is to download sound effects from Epidemic Sound. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.